We're here in Monte Carlo for the Rendez-Vous de Septembre for AM Best TV. I'm Richard Banks. And I'm joined now by Christoph Oehy, who's CEO of Perils. Christoph, it's good to see you again. Welcome.
To see you.
So, Christoph, we're here in Monte Carlo where the reinsurance industry continues to eye its lost costs carefully. What's new in Perils' world? What are you bringing to Monte Carlo this year?
Well, it's great to be here in Monte Carlo and to engage with the clients, to collect feedback and listen to the needs of the industry. I'm really excited this year that we have 4 new products and services that add value to our clients that are all around the theme of expanding our data and allow to leverage it then also for risk transfer. So we've started earlier this year to launch a new data platform that really makes the interaction with the data a lot more intuitive and visually appealing. That should allow to leverage the data more effectively. Then we have also added or integrated the Crest-Clicks loss data into Perils, which overall then provides a more comprehensive product offering with all data worldwide, all Perils excluding the US, at one place. And not only that, there's also the whole history going back for 25 years in terms of loss data available. Then furthermore, we also just very recently launched a tool to forecast typhoons in Japan. It's a wind genie that helps to get an estimate of a market loss when a typhoon is approaching. Hopefully not, but the tool will help for that. And then finally, convective storm, really the key topic which we've heard a lot from clients that there's need for data. We've launched earlier this year convective storm for Europe, Japan and New Zealand. We've done Canada and Australia for a number of years and really can benefit from that. And this is really a very important milestone for us.
So, Christoph, the reinsurance industry continues to eye its loss costs and exposures carefully. You always come to Monte Carlo with some news. Tell us what it is this year.
Yeah, it's great to be here in Monte Carlo again and to engage with clients, to collect feedback and to listen to the needs. Very excited that this year we come with 4 new products and services all around the theme of expanding data, leveraging that data and helping to facilitate risk transfer. So we've developed earlier this year a new platform, data platform that provides the data in a very intuitive and visual way so that people can leverage it better and more effectively. We further expanded also our data by integrating the Crest-Clicks loss estimation into our overall Perils products. And with that, we are offering a comprehensive data set worldwide, excluding US, for all Perils in one place. And not only currently, but also historically back for the last 25 years. Furthermore, we've started to report on severe convective storms earlier this year, which was one of the strongest needs and questions we got asked by the industry to provide real loss data for convective storms. So we've done that for Canada and Australia for quite some time and have now added Europe, Japan and New Zealand. So really a milestone for us there.
And so then, just quickly on convective storms. Mm-hmm. That's clearly an area of the market that is growing in attention, shall we say? How can the industry react to that?
So clearly, we've seen more convective storms recently. Just a year ago, we had this heavy hailstorm in Calgary that was $2.4 billion and then kind of the largest insured hail event in Canadian history. So clearly that there has been this need for more data, and what the industry really is doing now is improving their understanding of the risk, better quantify the risk by developing new models, validating the models. And here we as Perils can play a key role as well by providing the real loss data and exposure data that helps to develop these models.
So we're here in Monte Carlo, inevitably conversations on a number of topics. One of those topics is climate-related exposures. How can the sector become more attractive for capital markets?
So climate-related risks clearly will increase the need for capital market solutions. And for peak or primary weather risks, this is well established, and the capital market provides solutions. And I'm actually happy to see that we also start to see ILS and ILW transactions for other countries, other perils, such as convective storms in Australia or Canada, or floods in Europe, or typhoons in Japan. That said, I believe that a very important factor for capital markets to provide propositions is that we can quantify the risk, but also that we can improve the level of confidence into this risk assessment. And here, therefore, it's very important that we continue the journey to better understand those climate-related risks going forward.
So Perils is very much a data company. It's a company that embraces data. Now, one of the topics that I suspect is going to be high on the agenda here in Monte Carlo is AI. Tell us a little bit about the role of AI in your business and how it can change that, and some of the challenges as well as the opportunities.
So we're also thinking on how we can make use of AI, obviously, and I believe that for us the benefit lies really in gaining efficiency in handling the data, but it will never replace the real data collected from insurance companies and the industry. So I believe it's more something that facilitates the process and can provide new insights as well, but the groundwork has to be the real loss data to really base your insights on.
What issues are being missed now that will be most important in the future?
So I think with the climate-related risks, the important thing is that we're not only look into the today, but also really try to anticipate the trends that are going to happen in the future. And I think that will be key in the future, that we better understand the future.
Christoph, thank you very much indeed for joining us. It's always a great pleasure to talk to you.
Thank you, Richard.
For AM Best TV, I'm Richard Banks.